Hi guys, it's me, Isa Please, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and also hit that little notification bell. I think it's on this side, so that you get the latest updates every single time I upload a video. Am I getting good at this or what? I asked you guys on Instagram because I just recently went shopping at my favorite department store, which I've already done videos of this before, but I wanted to do it again because okay, so my intro is getting a little bit mixed up. So let me try to do this again. I recently went shopping at my favorite department store, and then I asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted me to do in terms of content. I asked if you wanted me to make an Instagram video, Instagram stories, which honestly would have been a whole lot easier because I would not have to edit it, or if you wanted me to make a YouTube video. And most of you guys said that you wanted me to make an a YouTube video, so here we are. What did I say? There's something I wanted to say in this video. So the reason why I went shopping is because I Marie Kondoed the heck out of my life last year. And I realized that I didn't really buy a lot of clothes last year just because I wasn't feeling my best in terms of weight. But as you can see, I've been kind of losing weight in preparation for the wedding. So I feel like a lot more confident now since I got rid of all the clothes that were not sparking joy in my life because they hurt so much to touch and to hold because I couldn't fit into them. I let go of those clothes, and now I realize that I am actually running out of clothes. So I had to go buy a bunch of other stuff. So I've been like shopping a lot more than I have recently. But for this trip to Karkar in Gaisano Grand Karkar, I specifically wanted to buy bottoms because I don't have a lot of bottoms. If you guys want to see a video of my closet, which we have like 2 closets and like 3 drawer spaces, so if you want to see a video of that, let me know in the comment section below and I will do it for you. But for this video, it's specifically for bottoms because I'm running out and I'm going to Puerto Princesa in a couple of weeks, and so I kind of wanted shorts because I don't have any. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and some of them are not inside the plastic because I already wore them. So this is gonna be like a haul and a what do you call that, try on video if I'm not too lazy to try it on. So the very first thing that I got, by the way, I went shopping at Gaisano Grand in Karkar because I freaking love it there. I love how they have branded clothes, but they have like Zara clothes, but they'll put it in like the bathing suit section. You really have to check the brands there, and I like how it's so cheap. So everything that I bought was like 3,179 pesos, but minus like 400 something because I bought furniture for my mom. Anyways, or like I bought like jars for my mom. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you, I'm actually already wearing right now, are these black shorts, and these are like 219 pesos, and they're not denim, but they're not, I don't actually know, I think this has spandex or lycra in it because they're like stretchy and they're cute. So I wore that today. I'm just wearing like this polo shirt because I went to a real estate event this morning, which is it's kind of weird that I went to, but it's not surprising, and I'm so proud of myself because I knew the right questions to ask. Anyways, so the next skirt that I got is this, I don't actually know if this is plaid or plaid. I think it's plaid. I got this plaid skirt with like these really cute accent buttons. When I came home and showed this to Paulo, he said it looks like a skirt from USC, which is a school here. So you can check out their uniforms. He insists that it's a college uniform skirt, but it's not. Okay, it's really cute. It has the buttons, and what I like about this is the hem is a little bit longer in the front, so it looks super chic. These have been like, I've seen my friends with like matching blazers of this, and they're so cute, so I was jealous and I wanted one. I wanted the matching blazer, but I couldn't find one, so maybe next time. This is 379. It's so cute, and it has lining in it, so you know, it's like not that bad. I do have an issue though because in the front there are 2 extra buttons like this one. It doesn't really go anywhere. I think it's like it could be like an extra button if you lose one, but the fit kind of like cinches. You'll see it later, but it's pretty good. I mean, I was thinking I'll get it anyways because it always tends, like your tops always tend to like fold out anyways, so it's not really gonna be a big deal. So yeah, I got that. The next thing that I got is this baby doll tee. It's so cute. This is like the only top I bought, and when I came home I realized that I only got pants or bottoms. I was like, shit. But then it also gave me more reason to shop. But also, the main reason why I wanted to go to Karkar is because I saw a top I wanted on novo.ph. I really want it. It's only 500 pesos, but I was so unsure of the fit, so I was like, let's go to Karkar, see if they have it there. And I ended up not buying any tops, but I have this one. This is a baby doll tee, super cute. And this is what? 379 as well. So honestly guys, I did notice that the prices in Karkar, they kind of did go up a little bit, but 379 for a top and for shorts and pants actually aren't bad. Like the shorts I'm wearing now, 219, like that's how much the prices were like way back, like 4 years ago when I started shopping there. But I got this baby doll tee. I don't know if this has been GG5. I've always liked this brand, GG5. I wonder where it's from or who owns it or whatever, and if they need a model, because I'm down. But I like this top so much. I was supposed to get this originally in army green, but then army green just seemed like I would go to the beach or like wear short shorts with it. The black top seems like I can wear it to like really cute tight white pants and then look like I'm a mommy and have like pearl earrings and big shades and just look like a desperate housewife, or look like I married a really rich guy who just lets me be pretty all day. So that's kind of the vibe I was going for when I got that top. Anyways, the next thing that I got, I'm kind of in a hurry because I have to check into Red Doors later. I just really wanted to do this. But yeah, the next thing that I got are these like dark camel pants. I super love these. I actually didn't try them on. Like this is the last item that I pulled out and I was like, crap, I want to try them on, but also crap, I don't want to take my pants off. So I just decided to wing it and get it. I figured, how bad could it be if I take a risk? Anyways, it's super comfy. It comes with like, it has a little button and it has like a little tie in front, and they just look like really cute wide-legged pants. And I realized that wide-legged pants are the pants that I like because I've always been super conscious about jeans. I feel like it just doesn't hug my body the right way, or it makes me look stumpier because it like cuts my silhouette. It's just so harshly cutting through my waist, and I don't like, or hips don't like, okay, it cuts through my hips, so I don't really like denim pants. I like softer materials just because I feel like it falls better on me. But maybe I've been thinking lately that maybe I have like this disorder where I think everything looks bad on me. So that's also probably the case. I probably don't look as bad in pants as I think I do. But anyways, in my head, I'm just so convinced that I only look good in flowy pants. So I'm going to stick to that. The next thing that I got, which is super duper cute, guys. This is also like one of those last minute purchases. I got this, which is like a velvet. No, it's not velvet. It's a corduroy skirt. So the buttons in front, they're just an illusion. But you know that they're on pretty well because they're actually like, you know, they're like stuck on it. Like they're not like, it's not just sewed on. It's actually like, you know what I mean? I don't know what the word is. But these have shorts underneath. It's a skirt and it fits so nice on me, if I do say so myself. And this is 369. So 369 for corduroy is not bad at all. I used to not be able to afford corduroy, but I always thought it was so fancy. I thought I could never wear it in the Philippines because it's like so thick. But this is like lightweight corduroy and it's super nice. This one I bought specifically for the beach for my Palawan trip. And these are just like these cute dolphin shorts. More for my nose is so itchy. But they're dark, they're black dolphin shorts with like the ruffles at the bottom, so they're super cute if you wear them at the beach. And then this is 250 pesos. See, it's not bad. They're garterized, so it's pretty good. Yeah. The next thing that I got is also for the beach, but I also kind of regret getting these, or I also kind of realized that I should have gotten them in white, but I got them in denim. I do not own denim shorts. I used to during my last trip, but then I Marie Kondoed them because they were actually like kind of tight for me and it made me feel bad. So I didn't keep them, but I have these now and these fit a lot better. I think the company that sent me the old shorts thought that I was like an XS, so they sent me like really tiny shorts, and it made me feel bad because I could never fit into it. And this was $369. They're denim. I kind of like the color. Like, I prefer whiter denim as compared to the dark wash denim, especially like if they're shorts, just because like I think that's just what I'm used to. So these like feel more playful, so I'm so happy to have them. The bottoms are like fringed or something. I don't know what the term is, but like they're fringed. Let's just say fringed. But the last thing that I got are these striped pants. Honestly, this is like one of the items that I really was not sure about getting because it didn't really look good on me, but as I was checking out, I was just like, oh god, I need those pants. They're so cute. The pattern's cute. I'll figure it out. And I also have an issue because there's like a slit at the bottom, and these are so long and I'm so short, but I got them anyways because I have no chill. How much are they? And these are $359, so they're not exactly cheap considering the material is very light. You could probably see my underwear in it, but I was so hard-headed and I got them anyways. This is a very short video, but I wanted to show you anyways because I'm so happy that I finally have new things in my life. If there's anything that you guys want me to try out, or if there's any styles that you guys want to see me in or want me to try out so you can get an idea of what you want, or anything in terms of content that you guys want me to try out, let me know in the comment section below because I will do it for you. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Which one was your favorite item? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!